G'day friends, this is Ron from Optimised Effects in Australia in the morning. It's a Sunday morning, having a cup of coffee here. We're going to do a quick update on how everything has been going for the forward updates for the past week. And I'll do another video separate to this based on how the signals have been going over the past 40 days. And I'll share all the information on how that has been going and how you can get started and all that kind of stuff. But that'll be a separate video. This one is just a quick video on how all the robots have been going that I've been forward testing for the past week. So we'll head over to there and we'll have a quick look at how they're going. Rightio, so the first EA we're going to look at is this Advanced Scalper EA, and we'll look at the stats. Basically you can see there that I've got it on Euro USD, USD JPY, Pound USD, and this is just a screen to show all the stats if you haven't watched any of my videos before. So the stats have been actually really interesting. So for the time period that it's been trading, the max drawdown it's received is $33, and for the week it's made $18.51. Pretty good, I reckon. We'll keep it going for a little bit longer and we'll see how it goes. But Euro USD has been the best profit per over the DD drawdown. Then GU not so much, and USD JPY not so much. There was a bit of news over the week and it was affected by that, but it's done extremely well. I think we can increase the risk and we'll see how it goes over the next week. The next one we have is Axel Hunter EA. This one did blow the account. It was running only Euro USD, and we can see there that it blew the account on the 14th. The whole account, it got stuck in this move down here, like it was a double extended move, and $1,000 account, base default settings, and it just blew up. There was a pretty big move up and down here 2 weeks ago, and it just blew up there. So unfortunately it didn't do too well. Next we have this Yo Forex Pro, which I found a little bit interesting. It is done pretty well, but the next drawdown is quite high at 305, and for the week it made 63. All up it's done $85, probably in the past 2 weeks. I think I started this 2 weeks ago. I can't get this thing. So Yo Forex, it's trading GU and EU. I've got two different time frames because I don't know exactly what time frame it's meant to be trading on. But it did suffer a bit of drawdown, and it has made a little bit of profit, but not as much profit as I would like, considering how much drawdown it's had. So we can see here that GU and EU have both had, or GU was the worst at a negative 188 and $127 for EU. Next we have the Gold Reaper. This one has done absolutely nothing except for open buy stops and sell stops. But as we know before, it backtests really well, so it's very interesting to see that. One Gold had opened, I think, one trade. Yep, opened one trade. It was a loss at negative $400. And that's all it has done over the whole 2 weeks, I believe, that it's been trading, so not too much. Oracle has made $29 total for the week. It has only made that $29, so we're only trading that on GU H1 and we're trading it on EU M15. And the one that made the money the most was EU, so we've got M15, so I'll probably change this to M15 and we'll see how it goes over the next week or two. But basically it's slow and steady at the moment. The max drawdown is negative $22 and it's done alright, so we'll see how it goes and we'll do an update on that soon. Next we have this one called Gold Coin, and I don't really know what to say about it really yet. It max drawdown negative $59. We're trading it on UJ, EU and GU, and we're trading it all on M5 time frame. And yeah, the UJ is anyone that's made the money here, and GU and EU are both just negative, so that's quite interesting. We'll let it go for a little bit longer and see what happens, but so far, probably not so great, I would say, but we'll see. And next we have this. I kind of knew that this was going to be a fake one. So this EA Smart Neural is basically the purple line EA. It'll start going off quite well. It's kind of like expert. I think it's called expert EA. But basically, someone noticed that it did go well. If you backtested, it looks well. But if you forward traded, it's no good at all. But the reason why it's got $340 in profit there is because I saw it in profits, and I didn't see that it was ever going to take profit, so I just closed the trades so I could open new ones, and this is where we're at. So it's made $340, but we're also negative 132, and you'll find that if you run this EA, or the purple line EA in general, which is called expert EA, it will do well at the start, and then it will just not do well at all. So just so you know, this one is called Ranger EA, and it started off not so great. It's made $15 and we're down to 41 at the moment. This is a very slow EA. It runs on AUD CAD and GCAD, and I've got here Pinpoint running as well, but I don't think Pinpoint's meant to run on Euro USD. But there was one trade that it did make, and it didn't make too much. Oh, it's not here. But Pinpoint did make a trade, and it's not in this account history for some reason, but it does show here, but I don't. Oh yeah, this is a new account, so these trades do not count. So we'll see how it goes. And last but not least, we have what's this one? This Zigzag EA. So yeah, it's been quite interesting. It hasn't made a whole heap of money. Its max drawdown on the whole account is negative 101. We can see here that it's consistently profitable. For the week it made 38, and in total it's made 64. We'll keep it running for a little bit longer and we'll see what happens. But that pretty much rounds up all the EAs that I'm forward testing right now. There is a couple more on my other computer, but that's not on there, so I'll share those ones later at a later date. We'll keep it running for a little bit longer. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.